Good morning, you know the drill. We are already outside and at the park. I ran out of tea, so I'm at Ralph's, and then I think I'm gonna get some fruit too because we don't have any of that either. Oh, and the real reason I'm here is my allergy meds. It's so bad. Allergy meds, fruit, and now I'm looking for tea. We're down the right aisle. All the tea. Got in the car and immediately took an allergy med. I actually took it as I was walking out of the store. I haven't taken it in 2 days, but I've taken it. Was not fine. This ramen is so good every time. So good.